Easily turn your fixtures into selectable ones by replacing existing bulbs with selectable LED lights from PLT, available exclusively at 1000 bulbs. These bulbs let you choose between multiple color options using a slider switch located on the bulb. Selectable LED bulbs are available in two distinct types: selectable color temperature or selectable color combination. Selectable color temperature bulbs have either 3 or 5 color temperature options, ranging from 2200 K to 5000 K. Selectable color combo bulbs allow you to switch between 5000 K and 5 different colors: red, green, blue, yellow, and orange. PLT selectable LED bulbs come in a variety of shapes, including A19s, vintage chandelier and globes, BRs, and PARs. They have a standard household medium 𝗵𝗵𝗽𝗁 base and can be used in either wet, damp, or enclosed locations depending on the bulb. Use them in a wide range of fixtures, including table lamps, track lamps, pendants, sconces, recessed cans, and more. For these and other high-quality LED light bulbs, call 855-948-5079 to speak with one of our lighting experts or visit us at 1000bulbs.com.